Welcome in another Shopify customization episode. In this video, I will teach you how to make your Shopify image banner clickable in 3 steps. Before jump onto the topic, first we discuss what this video is briefly about. As you can see my screen, this is my dummy store and you can see this section. This is your image banner section. I bet now it's click on your mind that maybe this video is related to that image banner section. Yes, this is related to how you can convert your Shopify image banner into clickable Shopify image banner section. Whenever I click on the image, I will redirect it to another page. I jump to the product page because I bind the product page with my image banner section. As you can see in image banner section settings, there is a option banner link and I selected the product page which bind the product page with my image banner section. You can select any page which you want to bind with your image section, and whenever user clicks on the image of your image banner, it will redirect it to your binded page. Now in the next part, we will see how we can add this clickable image section in your Shopify store, because here the problem is in three themes there is no support for clickable banner image. Before going on to the next part, I have a task for you. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and let me know by comment that is this video is helpful or not. And if there is any doubt and query related to any Shopify customization, then also comment it. Now let's start the video and jump on to the next part. So we have to go to the your Shopify admin dashboard. I have come on my Shopify admin dashboard, and for this tutorial, which theme I used, that is your DOM theme. As I already let you know that you can add your image banner clickable in 3 steps. So here first step is you have to click on 3 dots and duplicate your Shopify theme. Guys, please duplicate your Shopify theme because this code only works with your free theme. And if anything goes wrong, then you can use your backup file for overcome from these issues. I am expert, so I will click on the second step, that is edit code. As code editor is open, you have to search image banner.liquid file. So in the search criteria, search image, and you can see here image banner.liquid. Open that file. And after that, you have to jump on my blog post. For your information, I already upload the full blog related to that section, how to make Shopify banner image clickable in easy 3 step, where you can get step-by-step process to make your Shopify banner image clickable. So now go to the second step, and here you can see ID banner section ID. Search this, and now jump to the code editor and search that code of line. So I think there is a gap. Next. Okay, there is no gap. Yep. Now again go to the my blog post and replace the located code with the below line which I provided. So just copy that code and replace it with that line of code. Okay, so save this file. Now your second step is over. Now we have to jump on to the third step. For third step, again you have to go to the my blog post and you can find a code snippet 1, copy that code and again jump on your code editor. Scroll down and in section schema settings, you have to paste that code. So after image speaker, I will add that code and save this file. So with this little adjustment, you are able to make your Shopify image banner clickable. So next step is we have to customize the code. So for that, we click on 3 dots and customize theme, and now check that is our Shopify image banner section is clickable or not. So now you can see this is my image banner section, and when I click on image banner, we are getting the banner link option here. And also when I hover on image, my pointer cursor is changing. So if I put it here, any of the collection page, let's suppose all collections, and when I click on image, then I have to go to the collection page. Yep, this is working. So doing that little adjustment, you are also able to make your Shopify image banner clickable. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please, if there is any queries, questions, please comment it. So bye bye and meet you in next episode.